Hello friends, Finding Nemo is one of my favorite movies. So, watching a clownfish in its own home called Andaman was very exciting to me. Yes, I did experience snorkeling for the first time in my life at Elephanta beach area at Havlock Island. Snorkeling is an exhilarating experience which brings immense joy, and as I witnessed the beauty and richness of marine life from colorful tropical fishes, coral reefs, rock formations, and other marine life peacefully coexisting in the ocean's ecosystem. Everyone should experience this to understand the beautiful nature and necessity to protect it.